this is Sarah Belaruf. I will present today my presentation about the importance of recycling CSD waste as a complement to building construction. So, the presentation plan is introduction, preparation of the sample for characterization, terminal analysis of CSD waste result, and finally conclusion. So I will start with a question that is the subject of all scientific researcher. It is necessary to control the world's demography to save the planet. It is really the number of people that is important or their lifestyle. We will see the answer future. To protect the environment, various access have been developed. Waste recycling, use of renewable energy, sustainable management of natural resource, creation of infrastructure that protect the environment. Between the access when just mentioned, the valorization or recycling waste, which is the object of our subject today. So, in Morocco, in 2050, Morocco products 14 million tons of waste, CSD waste, from welding. To date, we find ourselves with a million tons of CSD waste annually that have a negative impact on the environment. We can see it in the picture, as well as the health of people. This deposit, it will be progress to reach 56 million ton in the 2013. So if we can recycle and recover this enormous amount of waste, CSD waste for fabrication and new concrete or production and new concrete of with a recycled aggregate or CSD waste can contribute to the preservation of natural resource, limitation of pollution, reducing of CO2 emissions, and economic energy and improvement of energy efficiency in building. So we made a new construction. We made a new concrete based on the CSD waste. We made three sample of concrete, normal concrete, and concrete with 10% of CSD waste, and concrete with 20% of CSD waste. A series of thermal conductivity test has been done for our sample, for the three sample in our laboratory. So we can see the value of thermal conductivity for three sample. We can see that the thermal conductivity decrease for three sample as the addition of recycled aggregate. Also, when the temperature is increased. This is the same results for concrete, normal concrete with 10% and concrete with 20% of CSD waste. So for the temperature, the effect of the temperature on the thermal property, we can see that the experimental results for the effect of temperature of the measurement of thermal conductivity, including the different temperature, are presented for a three sample, which are concrete, normal concrete with 10% and concrete with 20%. The temperature during the test increase slowly until is maximum is reached after time. It's 430 seconds after the temperature has decreased. This is for the three sample. Donc, we can see that the temperature is still the most important parameter on the thermal conductivity. So, the measurement of thermal properties show that the most important parameter that qualify the reaction of a material to the thermal transfer, which is thermal conductivity, decrease as addition of recycled aggregate. It's reduced slightly also when the temperature increase for the interval between 20 to 50 degrees. Until 20% for concrete with recycled aggregate present a good thermal and thermophysical performance. With a percentage of 20%, concrete with recycled aggregate presents a good thermal performance. On the opposite, their performance is not well for a low percentage, so 10 and normal concrete. Measurement of thermophysical properties show that the thermal conductivity decrease for an addition of 20% and decrease slowly with increasing temperature for the interval between 20 to 15 degrees Celsius. So to conclude, we can see that submitting natural aggregate with partly recycled aggregate in a concrete can offer a new source of supply and save material and carries, offer a good solution to the problem of waste management to preserve the environment. Thank you for your attention. Thank you.